we got it off there. Best I can tell, the back of number 4 is where my leak was, right here. It's pretty washed out. You can see all of my other cylinders, a nice, clean seal was all the way around all of them. But when you get to number 4 right there, it's a little washed out. Looking at the gasket, here's the back of number 4. This happened and the truck got shut down right away, pretty much. Here's the back of number 4 on this one. The back of 4. So my guess, best I can tell, number 4, where the problem was at. So, machine shop